Imagine building a hit mobile game without spending a fortune on marketing or years developing playable ads. That's exactly what a new startup called Sett is promising, and investors just bet $27 million that they can pull it off. Hey everyone! Before we dive deeper, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment on what you think AI's role should be in game design. We'd love to hear from you. So what is Sett, and why is it suddenly making headlines? Based in Tel Aviv, Sett has been quietly working in stealth mode since 2022, creating AI agents designed to build and operate mobile games. The company is officially emerging from stealth with a massive $27 million in funding, $12 million in seed, and a fresh $15 million Series A led by Bessemer Venture Partners. Sett already counts Zynga, Scopely, Playtika, Rovio, Superplay, and Unity among its early customers. Over 100 studios are now on its waiting list. But what's the big draw? It's all about solving a billion-dollar headache in mobile gaming: user acquisition. CEO Amit Karmi says that while it's easy to build a game, it's almost impossible to make it successful. The competition is brutal and marketing is expensive. According to AppsFlyer, companies spend around $29 billion a year just to generate $100 billion in gaming revenue. Sett's solution? AI-generated creative content, particularly those viral playable ads that show off games in action. These usually cost a lot to create, often requiring teams of developers. Sett claims its AI agents can do this 15 times faster and 25 times cheaper. This approach caught the attention of investors like Akin Babayigit, the founder of Tripledot and now head of Arcadia Gaming Advisors. He called Sett's tech a no-brainer, especially given how important marketing is to game visibility. Coincidentally, the day Sett came out of stealth, competitor AppLovin announced it's selling its gaming assets to Tripledot for $800 million. That move reflects a shift in strategy, as AppLovin leans into AI-driven ad tools like Spark Labs and even sets its sights on acquiring TikTok's global business. Now back to Sett. While some wonder how much AI is too much in game development, Karmi says they're not looking to automate everything. The current focus is on enhancing marketing and in-game content, not replacing the entire creative process. In his words, the vision is to generate content that lives inside the game and the marketing funnel, giving developers powerful tools without taking away their creative control. So could Sett be the secret weapon for studios trying to break through the noise? With real technology, a strong founding team, and major backing, they just might be. Want to see how AI is transforming the future of gaming? Watch the related video in the corner to continue exploring.